This is the worst of working from home. Yung nagtatrabaho ka, pagkatapos bigla-bigla aakyat. Kaya nito, ayan, buti na lang Lido yung mga calls natin ngayon and yan, nakakapag laro ako with, with this kulit, yan. So, but we have to say bye-bye na to this work from home job and sa pagko-calls rin, depends na lang sa mga scenarios. And God has been so good for me for the past years and kulang ang pasasalamat lagi sa puso natin. Kasi, alam mo yon even though you are not asking for things, but God is always there providing us, especially, alam mo yun yung mga bagay na hindi mo ine-expect that it will come along. So, God has been so good to me and I'm so, so grateful. Wala lang, sharing lang kasi wala tayong ibang magawa pa. Wala pa tayong call. Oh, ayun na. Bye-bye!